Hello, my name is Mike Vlahopol. I fixed the guitar. It's shiny. I'm a bit dirty. I worked on it until now. I didn't take the tape off, but I'm trying to show there's like no fretbuzz on the guitar. The guitar is pretty cool. I'm gonna record as well on Cubase through cable and through my Helix Stadium with the Fender US double black amp. No compression, no reverb, no nothing, just the guitar itself to show there is no fretbuzz. Not used to 7 strings. Thank you.